Hello, I'm Spaztastic. Welcome to SpaztasticTV. Well, I figured, if I'm going to, do an intro, I might as well put a little effort into it, because, I haven't really been doing that recently. And yes, we got more of the same here today. We got a 4-piece Ozark shell multi-tool set. And the first things first, this thing is, why is the packaging for this so goddamn big? The hell, Walmart. Oh, let's just jump over to the TV dinner tray and just take a look at it, see if it's a holiday gift that you'd want to get somebody. Or get yourself. Who knows? Jump cut. Yay. So now I guess the first things first is to get all the tape and shit off of the goddamn thing. Not only if I had a knife, it'd be a useful thing. Try to get the tape off this thing so I could actually open it. Which I always feel like they never put this tape on whenever they package these things. It's always somebody doing it after the fact because it's too easy to break into these things. And if you're wondering what I'm doing right now, where I'm just kind of just sitting here and talking, it's called video padding. And it's where you sit there and you decide to not put a lot of effort into something, and so you can just make the video longer for no reason whatsoever. Alright, so obviously it has a Leatherman knockoff. It's got a pouch that I'll never use because it has a pocket clip on it. Might as well pull that one out and look at it first, which put all the little things away on it and feel the pliers feel on it, which compared to that one that I looked at last time, these ones actually feel pretty damn good, and when I assume when they fold, they fold pretty well flat, which actually feels a lot better in the hand. The knife is usable. It's actually pretty sharp, all things considered. It also has a lock on it. That's kind of nice. The other one does not have a lock on it. Ow! Apparently you need to have another tool in order to get the scissors open on them, which the scissors do not have a thing on them. They cut. That's a thing. But yeah, what else do they got in here? I assume that when you open it up, you got a bottle opener, Phillips head screwdriver, a file that isn't going to file anything, actually. That's a pretty bad file. A Phillips screwdriver, which I'm pretty sure that's a Leatherman patent, but leave that up to their lawyers, not mine, because I don't have one. Because I don't have enough money to actually afford a lawyer. Just middle class scumbaggery things. I guess that could be a slotted screwdriver, if you can see it, worth a shit, and a letter opener. Oh, a bottle opener, can opener, obviously. So all in all, actually, I will actually carry that on me. I actually really like that. That's probably worth it right there. Then the more interesting thing that they have in here, which is suspiciously dirty already, is there's supposed to be like a keychain pocket clip like screwdriver thing, which you can put them into the correct holes, which I assume you put them in there like that. Yep, I am right on that. And no, I'm not putting them in the correct order because I don't care. The only thing that I don't understand is, why in the hell does this not have like some Torx heads in it? I mean, like, they fit in there all right and whatnot. I can assume that could be quite useful, but at the end of the day, I mean, you look at it and it's just like, you think they could have stuck in like some Allen keys or something in that? I mean, that could be really useful. Probably end up in the glove box. And another thing I want to point out is that in order to hold the little bits in here, it's got a little rare earth magnet that apparently you got to go buy super glue, which is sold separately, in order to put that in the hole, so that if I wanted to use one of these other tips, like let's say this one, well, that's got the magnet stuck to it, and I stuck that in there. It's just going to fall out now. So that's something to consider, is that the glue was not being put in there very good. So that's actually shit. Look at the one I want to be little thing right here. I was expecting that to feel way worse than it does. Not quite sure what that's supposed to be. That knife is actually, I'm amazed I didn't just cut myself right there. And is that really the only 3 attachments this has? Is that and a pair of scissors with the obligatory... That's crap. It doesn't even have a toothpick in it, or a pair of tweezers. Why? I can just go in the mess. Okay, so right now we're 1 for 3 on things that are nice. And this thing's weird because it weighs like nothing, even though it's really chunky. But I guess the knife does have a lock in it. This little freaking little lock thing here is actually quite a lot of force to it. That's a pretty big-ass knife. It's got your can opener, bottle opener, Phillips and slotted screwdriver. Do they all lock when you open them? Yes, they all lock when you open them. Okay, now I'm curious. Wow. I guess the 2 things in here are actually worth a shit. I mean, this knife's just quite chunky, though. Why would you need a knife that's that chunky? I don't know. Anyhow, if you feel like getting this for a gift for somebody, just remember that half the stuff that it has in the box is complete and total shit. And the only things that are worth the fuck are these. Oh, and this cost about 20 bucks. And the selection at Walmart's different in different places because I bought these in Wyoming. But why is the box so big for it? Whatever. I'm Spaztastic. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have some music to play out or something. I don't know. Later.